Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. Hope you had a great weekend. I hope your week's off to a fantastic start. So, I get a lot of questions about when is the next City Beauty Sale. Guess what? It's finally here. I've known that this sale has been coming, but I haven't been allowed to say anything about it. So, it's here. The sale is here, you guys. So, today I have 4 recommendations for you. These are my top 4, I would say, like, all-time favorite City Beauty products, and 2 of these I have repurchased multiple times on my own. So I love them. I'm sure you know what they're gonna be. You see them in my monthly empties every single month. So, but before we get into my recommendations, which I will try to keep as brief as possible because I know they talk too much, yada yada, I know. Before we do that, I do want to let you guys know the details of the sale so that you are aware. First of all, the sale starts today on November 14th. It goes until the 21st. This is the Black Friday preview sale. I can tell you right now that if you want to stock up on things, this would be the very best time to do that. So this is when I'm stocking up on my favorites, I can tell you that. The sale is 40% site-wide. So 40% off of every single thing on the City Beauty website. So the things that I show you today, and then also everything else on the website is gonna be 40% off. The sale does end on the 21st. You will use my discount code MrKongsMom, all capital letters, all one word together at checkout. There will be a little area that says discount code. You just plug that in there and that'll get you 40% off. The link to where to shop with City Beauty, as well as the discount code, the dates, and all of that stuff, I will also put in the description box right below this video. So you don't have to write it down, just reference the description box and all the information will be down there for you. I will also write down the names of the products, so if you're searching them up on the website, you can have my recommendations in mind if you're interested, but also pick up your favorites. You might have different favorites. So, all right, so those are all of like the ins and outs of the sale that you really need to know about. Now let's get into my favorites. The first 2 are not going to be any surprise to you because they are in my monthly empties every single month. I always talk about these 2 products because they are such a consistent part of my self-care routine. I'm gonna get started with these, and I know I've gotten a number of you hooked on these as well because I get DMs, I get comments, I get even emails asking me when is the next sale so I can get another like 5 or 6 bottles of the Complete Skin Restore. And believe you me, I will be getting another 5 to 6 bottles. I usually tend to get like about 6 months at a time, just so that I know that I have it and that also I'm getting the best deal on these. So I will be ordering my next round. I do have a couple bottles left, but I know that I do not like to be without these, so I'm partaking in the sale, just like a lot of you guys. The Complete Skin Restore I have been using now for, I think it's actually been close to 2 years. I love these supplements. And as, of course, as always, with any supplements, if you are under a doctor's care, always make sure that you check with them before you incorporate anything new like this into your routine. You want to make sure that it's not going to mess with any of your medications or anything like that. So make sure you do that. However, like I said, I've been taking these for 2 years. There are probably 2 main benefits that I really notice the most. These are actually touted as a skincare benefit type supplement, right? So the main benefit that City Beauty really likes to tout and talk about is the benefit for your skin. And yes, these certainly have fantastic ingredients that will help support a lot of the topical skincare that you're using. But let me tell you the main things that I have noticed since starting these supplements. The first, and if you've been with me for a while, you have actually seen this like on camera every single day. My hair was able to get so long taking these vitamins. For many years of my life, no matter what type of like hair growth supplements that I would take, my hair would just not grow past a certain length. I don't know what the deal was, who knows, but after I started taking these, my hair grew, and it grew long. I mean, I've had my hair all the way down to like here at this point. I recently chopped it, like I chopped up like a good amount of hair. But these make my hair grow. They help with my scalp health. They help me shed significantly less. The amount of shedding that I used to experience was like mind-blowing, you guys. Since starting these, it has been cut in half, like definitely at least half, potentially even more. I used to lose so much hair, you guys. These help me actually retain my hair, which is so important to me because I always joke about having 57 strands of hair. My hair, if you're new here, is naturally gray. I like it that way. It's okay if you don't. It's not your hair, so you don't have to like it. But I love my gray hair, and I really want to take good care of it. And these help my hair look its healthiest, feel its healthiest. It helps me keep more of the gray. And it just helps my scalp health and everything so immensely. I love these supplements, and I really credit them with the health of my hair. Secondly, they help my nails so much. There is biotin in this formula, but there's also a bunch of other ingredients. I'll kind of break them down here in a second. I did make some notes for myself. But my nails. So I recently, I chopped my nails again, you guys. I'm sorry. I can't do the long nails. However, if you are someone who really likes to grow your nails naturally, maybe you've had acrylics for a long time, maybe you do like the gel polish, you know, all of those things are very damaging to your nails. A couple years ago, I did acrylics, which I don't know why I did that, but they destroyed my nails again, right? So ever since taking these, now it takes a few months. Like, here's the thing you're gonna have to know. Anytime you start a new skincare product or a new supplement, it's gonna take a little while for those benefits to start showing. I started noticing a difference in my hair and my nails within the first, probably right around actually like the 3-month mark. Between 2 and 3 months is when I was like, whoa, like something is actually happening here. My nails no longer chip, they no longer peel, they no longer break. I have never had nails that are in this great shape. Now, they're looking a little rough right now because I am currently decorating for the holidays, and honestly, the nails got in the way, so I cut them off, and my cuticles are, I should really do a manicure on myself, but now's not the time. I still have 3 trees to put up, a lot of extra decor to do. So, but huge difference in my nails. They no longer crack, break, any of that stuff. They are strong and healthy, and I like that. When I do want to grow them out, they look very nice, but keeping them short, they even look healthy when they're short. So love this. So some of the key ingredients in this formula are chlorella, resveratrol, quercetin, panthenoic acid, there's biotin, there's L-arginine in here, and there's also lysine, another benefit that I want to share with you guys that took me a little while to figure out. I was like, why am I not getting cold sores anymore? It's because there's lysine in this formula, and I take it so consistently. Now, my dermatologist many years ago actually told me to take lysine because I would get cold sores every single winter. It was just a part of the routine. Once I started doing that on a regular basis, I just stopped getting cold sores. And since using these, not a single cold sore in the last couple of years. So if you are prone to cold sores, definitely research lysine. It can make an immense impact on the severity of the cold sores and how long they last and how frequently they come on. It's really worth looking into. Anyway, these are a holy grail. I love them forever and for always. I love this baby. And I will be ordering another 5 or 6 months worth. Another frequent empty that you see in my videos, when I do my beauty empty videos, are the line smoothing hydro masks. I use one of these a week. The box of 5, not gonna lie, pretty spendy. City Beauty is a somewhat more high-end luxury skincare brand. So I like to buy these when they're on sale because the box of 5 is normally, I think, either $60 or $65. So I love these for my spa routine. I do well, I haven't been as consistent with it lately, but usually every Sunday I take an hour to myself where I'm just like, kid has to take care of herself, husband has to figure out his own stuff. I do bring the dogs in with me, they relax me. The other two people, not quite as relaxing, but the dogs, they just tend to chill out with me. So I use one of these every single Sunday as a part of my spa routine. I love the fact that I can walk around with this mask on my face, but usually I try to like lounge in bed and listen to spa music. It's like a whole thing. But I love the fact that if I do need to like get up and help someone with something, this stays on my face. This biocellulose material that they use almost like suctions itself to your face. So that's fantastic. But this has some amazing benefits for me. Mostly it provides this intense surge of hydration into my skin and the like cooling sensation. I like to keep these in the fridge sometimes. So when I put this on fresh out of the fridge, it has the most delightful like cooling sensation on my skin, and it just feels so good, you guys. I love this stuff. So this has biomimetic tetrapeptide in it that helps with firmness and wrinkles. This has hyaluronic acid, which is obviously going to help plump the skin. You are also getting ice plant in here, which honestly, I haven't looked at the ingredients in a while, and I was researching this stuff yesterday while I was getting ready for this video, and I was like, oh yeah, this ice plant. So this actually has a high concentration of protective antioxidants, and my favorite skincare ingredient besides BHA, this does not have BHA in it, so ignore that part. I just love BHA. But this has niacinamide in it, and that has helped the look of my pores so immensely, you guys. These are fabulous. I will never be without them. It is why you always see them at the end of the month. They are fabulous. All right, now these two items I have actually been using together, and I really, really like these two together. So what do we have here? We have the Microbiome Night Mask, which I especially love during the fall and winter months. Once we turn the heat on in the house, this is fabulous for that time of year. And then the Skin Lifting Booster. This is fabulous because just a couple drops of this in with this creates the most fabulous nighttime treatment that I sleep in. And when I wake up in the morning, I always think that my skin looks insanely beautiful. So the Microbiome Night Mask has a probiotic concentrate in it, and that is going to help balance the microbiome level on your skin. You don't only have a like a microbiome in your gut, you also have it on your skin as well. There is also Orobanch, I think I'm saying that, Orobanch, rapum extract, which improves the appearance of wrinkles. There's also kombucha in here. I love consuming kombucha, and it's not for everybody, but I really like it. And this is going to help with the appearance of the tone and texture of your skin. So as someone who can deal with a lot of texture, because it's just what my skin likes to do, it likes to have texture on it. You know, I have the enlarged pores and things like that. This stuff makes my skin look incredibly smooth. It makes it feel hydrated. It looks hydrated too. It just kind of plumps everything up. It's just fabulous. I highly, highly depend on this stuff, and this is actually my second container of it here. So you can tell I'm kind of sort of to the halfway point. I don't know if I need to reorder this quite yet, but I might. Although I think this might be enough for me for the remainder of this winter. I don't know. It's hard. Because I too, like, I mean, as much as I like to splurge on skincare, especially my favorites, I do also have to be reasonable about it. So please know that I do think about my skincare budget because I set one for myself every single year. So I would definitely recommend doing that if you've never done it. And then the Skin Lifting Booster, this is one of the newer items that City Beauty has come out with. So this has structuring tetrapeptide in it, which helps support the surface of the skin, and it also helps to reduce the look of sagging and wrinkles. This has a lipid encapsulated heptapeptide, which is infused with phospholipids. and encapsulated peptides, which help the firmness and elasticity of your skin. And I will definitely say it does that. And like I said, I just add literally a couple of drops of this on the back of my hand. Like when I use like a little scoop to get the stuff out, I put it on the back of my hands. I just add the drops there, mix it up, and then apply it essentially like a moisturizer. You don't want to apply this like, I would say, a clay mask where you're looking for like a solid layer on your skin. Use it like you would a moisturizer essentially. And then the last kind of ingredient focus with the skin lifting booster is that it contains seawater and red microalgae extract, and this is a film forming complex that promotes immediate firming and hydrating. Yeah, you guys, look at my handwriting. That's why I can't read any of this stuff. Anyway, these are my top 4 product recommendations for you. Obviously, if you have your favorites, feel free to shop those. Like I said, the sale is site-wide. Make sure you check it out. The sale does end on the 21st. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you would like some other recommendations. I can certainly help you down below in the comments. But I will go ahead and put all the information in the description box like I mentioned. And I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you have a great start to your week. And please subscribe if you're new. Take care.